Hello everyone. So in this video I am going to explain regex end with. So let's see practically. So in the previous video we were checking for the result where first name was starting with some specific character. Now we will look for the result where first name will end with some specific character. Okay. So now we will give character after percentage. Okay, so now I want to see the result where first name end with a. Let's see. So we can see we have the value where first name is getting end with a. Similarly I can change with the r. Let's see whether we have value or not. Yes, we have the value where first name is getting end with r only. So similarly we can give range here also, like I want to see M to P, like our first name should end with a letter which fall between M to P, means M and O P. So last letter should be either M, N, O or P. Let's execute this. So we can see we have M, N, O, N. So we cannot have any result where first name is not ending with either M, N or P. So similarly we can add some multiple letter also. Let's see. So we can see now our string is getting in. By running this query I want to see the result where second last letter should fall between M to P and last letter should be E. Okay, similarly I can give one more things like A. So here I want to see like my third last letter should fall between M to P, then second last letter E and last letter should be A. Let's verify. We don't have any result. Let's see any other thing. Yes, we have result. So we can see the last in all the result we can see the last letter is R, second last letter is E and third last letter is falling between M to P. So in the result we have only M. So this is how we do use regex with end.